Ever found yourself staring at your phone, wondering how to get a hold of favepay biz customer service? It can be frustrating when you're dealing with a technical glitch, have a question about a transaction, or just need some clarification on how something works. We've all been there. That's why today, we're diving deep into how to contact favepay biz customer service and get the help you need, fast. Now, before we jump into the specifics, let's talk a little bit about why having easy access to customer support is so crucial. Think about it. You're running a business, managing transactions, and relying on platforms like favepay biz to keep things running smoothly. When something goes wrong, or even if you just have a simple question, you need answers quickly. A responsive customer service team can be the difference between a minor hiccup and a major headache. They're the safety net, the helping hand, and the voice of the company when you need it most. So, how do you actually reach out to favepay biz? Well, there are a few different avenues you can explore. The most common and often the quickest way is through their in-app support feature. If you have the favepay biz app installed on your phone, look for a help or support section. Usually, this will lead you to a list of FAQs, articles, and potentially a live chat option. This is often the fastest way to get a response, especially for common questions. Another option, and one that many businesses prefer, is email support. Look for a Contact Us section on the favepay biz website. You should find an email address specifically designated for customer inquiries. When you send an email, be sure to be as clear and concise as possible. Outline your issue, provide any relevant details like your merchant ID or transaction number, and explain what kind of assistance you need. The more information you provide up front, the quicker the support team can assist you. Beyond in-app and email support, favepay biz may also offer phone support. Again, check their website for a customer service hotline. While phone support can sometimes be slower due to wait times, it can be incredibly helpful for more complex issues that require a real-time conversation. Being able to explain your problem verbally can often lead to a faster resolution. Finally, don't underestimate the power of social media. Many companies, including favepay biz, maintain a presence on platforms like Twitter or Facebook. Sometimes, reaching out through social media can be a surprisingly effective way to get a response. Just remember to keep your initial message brief and professional, and be prepared to move the conversation to a more private channel, like direct messaging, if you need to share sensitive information. Now, here's a pro tip. Before you reach out through any of these channels, take a moment to check the favepay biz Help Center or FAQ section on their website. You might find the answer to your question already there. This can save you time and effort and get you back to business quickly. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.